Here we are, Denison, Texas. My face is totally windburned. It's 10 degrees today with a wind chill of -6. This is stupid. Heritage Park, where they have concerts all winter or all summer long. But they forgot to turn off the water today. It's a little frozen. This whole building wasn't even here when we lived here a couple of years ago. This is where there's a grass patch. We took our dog here to go to the bathroom. Times are changing. Taco trucks, food court. Live music, restrooms, pretty cool. Home of the Fighting Yellow Jackets. They really turned this place around and made it pretty cool.
Cheese! Cheese!
There's where Wisten and I used to live, in this loft up here. Good times out here. This is where our good friends live. Where Rainier got all his cute monsters. Ooh, the windows are all frozen. So many monsters. Oh yeah. Say, oh, big hug for the doggy. Bye, Muttley. Have a good life.
You never made a monster before. You get to make one, and you drew the monster.
No. Drop some on and take the picture.
That's crazy. Is that cool? It looks just like your monster. I know, I am taking a picture.
Long hair. What color hair? Green. Green. Let me get some green. I think I have the perfect kind of hair for that. No, we got special color. Ooh.
Staying upstairs at this cool building here. It's called the Mystic Loft. Yeah, up this cool staircase. Hey dudes and dudette. Another beautiful day in Denison. Stadium, Hotel Denison, Bought a burger. Stayed right across from the police station. Did you wake up to snow in Texas?
Yeah.
That's so crazy. Not very much though, just a little bit. Look at all that snow. It's like we're in Buffalo. If there's snow, Rainier will play in it. No matter how much or how little.